Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to download ElevenLab audio in an iPhone. So let's just begin. If you're using iPhone or maybe any other device, and let me just actually go back. Alright, so let's just start from beginning. You head up to text to speech and you generated an audio, and now you want to download it. So you can see in the text to speech, it is important that you simply add your speech and select your voiceover. And once you do that, make sure to generate it, and you are gonna you will get this kind of option, right? So this is the recents, and this is what I generated. To download it, you simply need to click onto this download option, and it will be starting to download. Now one thing here is you can get 50% off onto ElevenLab pricings and plans, and that will be a huge discount for you guys. So make sure to give it a try. Link in the description below. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.